Hey guys, it's Mrs. Cutting here, and I'm going to go over your Do Now with you, which was page 29, numbers 1, 2, and 3. You needed to draw a diagram and then write a multiplication or division equation to show the relationship. So number 1 says the distance around a park is 3/2 miles, and we talked about how 3/2 is also the same as 1 1/2. Noah rode his bicycle around the park for a total of 3 miles. How many times around the park did he ride? Well, 1 time around would be 1 1/2. A second time around would be another 1 1/2, and 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1/2 plus 1/2 would make that 3. So 2 times around the park was how long it took. Your picture does not need to look like mine. It just needs to somehow show that he went around 2 times and they were each 1.5 miles. So then a multiplication equation we could write would be 3/2 times 2 equals 3 miles. Or if you wrote it as division, 3 miles divided by 3/2 equals 2. Number 2, you need 3/4 of a yard of ribbon for 1 gift box. You have 3 yards of ribbon. How many gift boxes do you have ribbon for? Okay, I'm going to draw out my 3 yards. 1, 2, 3 yards. And I want them split up into fourths because I'm dealing with 3/4 of a yard. So I'm going to split each one up into 4 pieces. Oh goodness, please forgive me. These should be much more equal than that. Pretend these are all equal. Okay, so it takes 3/4 of a yard for 1 gift box. So this is 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So that right there makes 1 gift box. Then I have another 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So that makes 2 gift boxes. And then 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. I can make 3 boxes and 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So I have enough ribbon for 4 gift boxes. So I can do 3 yards divided into groups of 3/4 equals 4. Or 4 times 3/4 equals 3. There's also 2 more versions of that we could write. We could write 3 divided by 4 equals 3/4, or 3/4 times 4 equals 3. All right, last one. The water hose fills a bucket at 1/3 gallon per minute. How many minutes does it take to fill a 2-gallon bucket? Okay, I could draw this like a bucket, but I'm going to draw it like a rectangle instead. Here's 1 gallon. Here's 2 gallons. It fills 1/3 of a gallon per minute. So I'm going to split this up into thirds. So that 1/3 would be 1 minute. That 1/3 would be a second minute. That 1/3 would be a third minute. That 1/3 would make 4 minutes. That 1/3 would make 5 minutes. And that 1/3 would make 6 minutes. So I can write this as 2 gallons divided into groups of 1/3 equals 6 minutes. Or 1/3 times 6 minutes equals 2 gallons. All right, see you next time. Bye.